Welcome to the best secure truck yard in Augusta. This is the place to store your vehicles and your heavy equipment. And to ditch those dusty lots and head over to Southern Parker Truck, we've turned truck parking dreams into a reality. Leave your worries at the gate. Here, your rig's parked in a fortress, not some rundown farmyard. We're talking secured, protected, and ready to roll whenever you are. Check this out. Our electric fence, hot wire with enough juice to light up a football field. And up above, we got drones, guardians patrolling the skies 24/7, keeping an eye on your rig. Southern Parker Truck ain't just some pie-in-the-sky dream. It's the real deal. A place where you can feel the solid ground under your boots and know your truck is in good hands. So come on over and see for yourself. Don't just take my word for it. Here, your rig gets more than just a parking spot. It gets a safe haven. Southern Parker Truck is where your truck is more than just parked. It's at home.